Hey witches! Today I'm going to be showing you guys how I put together this super cute and spooky Halloween party from Target. They had the cutest things in the Bullseye's playground, and I'm just going to show you some of my favorite things and then how I put it together in the end. So let's go!
Afraid, emotions getting in your way. Afraid, but why?
So I ended up taking home a ton of the pumpkins in different patterns. I thought these were like the standout pieces at Target for this season, and they just so happened to match exactly to this rainbow fringe backdrop that I made a couple months ago. I actually have a DIY for this out in a couple of days. I'll link it below.
That's not right. No, I don't wanna be that one. Still a million miles from you.
Just place different random sets of pumpkins and different patterns around, and I liked adding these little touches of these little skeletons or like little mini versions. These plates are super cute, so I thought they went with the theme well. And I just added in some of this silverware from Target. Almost everything you see here came from Target. No, I'm obsessed, guys. So then I used this hair thin hand magnolia cart. I love this cart, guys, and it's sold out. So if you guys can get your hands on one, it's so cute. But it's from Target too.
Miles from you, yeah. So I'm gonna let you go. Oh boy, if you only knew. Not a day goes by without you on my mind. You couldn't go on together. You said nothing lasts forever, though you can't deny.
Make sure to subscribe to my channel if you want to see more videos, and head over to Instagram, follow me over there too, and I'll see you in another video.